In this lesson, I will show you that we can use a combination of text and label, using the multiple category label as an example. A multiple category label is a very cool tool that allows us to describe the properties of different objects belonging to different categories, as the name itself suggests. And for this type of label, there is a separate dedicated template. I choose new family earlier, and we have something like multi-category tag template. I will not demonstrate how I drew these lines. Now I would like to show information about the model number and other properties like price. On the Create tab, next to the label symbol, we will find a text which is a static value. That is, it will not be edited, no parameter will be read here, only a certain property. For example, I will enter an ID for myself here, and here I will enter cena, which is price in Polish. For the text, the style set is defined separately, so I could here change this text to any other. I will perhaps stay with 3mm size for now, but the rules of definition are known to you at this point. There is nothing complicated about it. In the cells next to it, I will insert dynamic values, which are labels like model and price. Other name is cost. For the price, unfortunately here I do not have the option to set the unit for the Polish currency, but if you are watching from other countries, you see that the list of units are limited. I click OK, and let's see how it works in the project. I choose from the Annotate tab multi-category, and you can see how it works. I can describe many categories in the project independently. As I showed you earlier, I do not have the option to add a currency, so I can always use suffix. So I will add a symbol for the Polish currency. I will add a space to include it in the label definition, and in this way I can also see the currency inside the project, and I don't have to worry about the digits. Suffix will always land at the end.